Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in drone technology. Today, we're diving into the world of drones and uncovering the top contenders for the title of the best drones of 2024. Number 5. DJI Mini4 Pro. The incredibly portable design for which the DJI Mini series is renowned is retained in the Mini4 Pro. Weighing only 249 grams with a regular battery, it is under the weight threshold that, in most countries, waives the need for registration. Always check your local restrictions before flying. Because of this, it's ideal for tucking into your rucksack and traveling to new places without worrying about registering. The build quality of the Mini4 Pro is quite strong considering its small size. Its protective cover and transportability are enhanced by its foldable arms and propellers, and its aerodynamic, streamlined design guarantees effective flight performance. The Mini4 Pro's photographic talents are where it really excels. With its 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, it can record breathtaking 4K/60fps HDR video. This results in extremely clear footage with a broad dynamic range, making it ideal for recording action scenes, colorful landscapes, and fluid slow-motion images. The Mini4 Pro produces breathtakingly sharp 24-megapixel photos for picture aficionados. Additionally, the camera has excellent low-light performance, which lets you take respectable film in less than ideal settings. The Mini4 Pro is made to make flying easy, in addition to producing amazing images. Its numerous intelligent flight capabilities, which remove the complexity of piloting, come from DJI. A first for the Mini series, the omnidirectional obstacle detecting technology offers outstanding safety and comfort. In order to detect and avoid obstructions in your flight path and avoid unintentional collisions, this sophisticated system makes use of a number of sensors. Beginners may effortlessly capture professional-looking photos with the Mini4 Pro's array of automated flying modes. With quick shots, you can select from pre-programmed flying courses that easily produce stunning films. Another clever feature, Active Tracks, centers your subject in the frame so you can concentrate on framing your photographs. The Mini4 Pro is a great option for pilots of all skill levels thanks to these capabilities and easy-to-use joystick and DJI's Fly app. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. With its 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the Mavic 3 Classic can take smooth 5.1K video footage and beautiful 20-megapixel pictures. Because this sensor is larger than other consumer drone sensors, it performs better in low light and captures finer details. Hasselblad's illustrious history in color science is seen in their ability to produce vivid, natural-looking colors that require little post-processing. With a single Hasselblad primary camera, the Classic differs from the Mavic 3 Pro's dual-camera configuration. For enthusiasts and aspiring aerial photographers, the Classic keeps things simple. However, some professional users might miss the zoom option. With its wide field of view, the 24mm focal length lens is ideal for shooting expansive panoramas and sweeping landscapes. Furthermore, you may get closer to your subject without sacrificing the clarity of your images thanks to the 3x digital zoom. DJI's renownedly user-friendly software and flight controls are included in the Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Fly app, which offers a number of sophisticated flight modes to simplify difficult maneuvers, may be used to operate the drone. Novices will value functions like Return to Home (RTH), which safely returns the drone to its launch location in the event of a signal outage or low battery. Quick shots, which instantly produce dramatic footage with pre-programmed courses, are also highly appreciated. When operating a drone, safety is of the utmost importance. DJI's cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, which has omnidirectional sensors to identify and steer clear of objects in your flight path, is included into the Mavic 3 Classic. The drone also has support for the global navigation satellite systems GPS, Galileo, and BeiDou, which guarantees accurate placement and seamless flight performance. Portability is essential for traveling photographers and videographers. Because of its small folding size, the Mavic 3 Classic is convenient to carry in a backpack or special drone bag. Even though it's not nearly as light as DJI's Mini series, the Classic is still free from some drone rules because it weighs less than 250 grams in many places. With a maximum flight duration of 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 Classic offers enough of opportunity to produce amazing aerial video. Because of the longer flying time, you may cover more ground, try out new angles, and seize the ideal moment without being concerned about the battery running out too soon. All things considered, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a strong option for anyone looking for a compromise between cost, visual quality, and simplicity of use. In case you're a budding aerial photographer or filmmaker, this 2024 release is a strong candidate to be your next artistic partner. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. In 2024, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro will be the undisputed leader in the consumer and prosumer drone market. It has an amazing range of features aimed for enthusiastic enthusiasts as well as professional photographers and videographers. With its impressive image quality, smart flight modes, and long flight duration, this strong drone is a great option for taking breathtaking aerial photos. The Mavic 3 Pro's camera system is its greatest asset. It has a dual-camera Hasselblad configuration with a telephoto lens with a 7x zoom and a micro four thirds MFT sensor on the primary camera. Due to the MFT sensor's bigger size compared to most consumer drones, the drone produces better low-light performance, a wider dynamic range, and crisper, more detailed photographs. The telephoto lens extends the reach of the MFT sensor by enabling clear, detailed capture of far-off scenes. This is ideal for content creators framing particular architectural components or for nature photographers who want to get up close and personal with wildlife without upsetting them. A Hasselblad L2D20 camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor is also included in select Mavic 3 Pro variants, offering professional photographers looking for a particular color profile an additional choice. Photos aren't the only use for the Mavic 3 Pro. It's also quite good at filming. It can record beautiful 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and has very detailed slow-motion settings. Additionally, the drone is compatible with Apple ProRes 422HQ, a high-quality codec that is used by pros in videography because of its exceptional color grading skills. Since safety is of the utmost importance, the Mavic 3 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The drone can navigate challenging environments and prevent collisions thanks to this sophisticated sensor system. Peace of mind is offered by a number of return-to-home capabilities, which guarantee the drone returns home in a variety of scenarios. With an amazing maximum flight time of 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 Pro lets you film long sequences or broad landscapes without worrying about running out of airtime. This longer flight time gives this drone a major advantage over other models. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro has a premium price tag because to its robust performance and premium features. This puts it more in the target market for enthusiastic or professional users who can make the most of everything it has to offer. In the event that you are inexperienced or have no intention of exploring the limits of aerial photography or videography, a less expensive choice may be more appropriate. Number 2. Autel Evo Nano Plus. Regarding drones weighing less than 250 grams, the Autel Evo Nano Plus is the industry leader and a strong candidate to be named the best drone of 2024. This little wonder is a force to be reckoned with, providing high-quality image and video capture that is usually reserved for much larger and more expensive models. With its folding form, the Evo Nano Plus may be folded up and placed in a bag or pocket. At a little 249 grams, 8.8 ounces, it is beneath the critical weight threshold that releases it from more stringent drone laws in numerous nations. Because of this, it's the ideal travel and adventure partner for anyone looking to take beautiful aerial photos without having to worry about obtaining permissions or registering. The Evo Nano Plus maintains high image quality in spite of its small size. It has a 3-axis gimbal with a 1/1 20-inch CMOS sensor inside of it. This translates to seamless, reliable video recording in 4K quality at 30 frames per second and crisp, detailed images up to 50 megapixels. Together, the Big F/1.9 aperture and ROIB color filter array provide outstanding low-light performance, reducing noise and guaranteeing vivid colors even in less than ideal lighting circumstances. It can be difficult to focus on moving objects, but the Evo Nano Plus' unique dual focusing mechanism makes it easier. Phase detection autofocus (PDAF) and contrast detection autofocus (CDAF) work together to provide quick and precise focus tracking, enabling you to take clear, dynamic action photos. The Evo Nano Plus has a number of security measures that give inexperienced pilots or those flying in foreign skies peace of mind. You may avoid any crashes by using the integrated 3-way obstacle avoidance system, which has sensors above, down, and in front of you. Number 1. Skyio 2 Plus Drone. Even though the drone industry is still developing quickly, the Skyio 2 Plus is a standout candidate to be named the best drone of 2024. This Skyio product isn't your typical quadcopter. It is the best option for both inexperienced and experienced aerial filmmakers since it places a high priority on autonomous flight combined with industry-leading obstacle avoidance. It is the autonomous capabilities of the Skyio 2 Plus that really make it shine. The obstacle avoidance mechanism of the 2 Plus is powered by a suite of 9 deep learning networks in contrast to standard drones that just use human control. This results into a drone that can fly across challenging terrain, such as confined areas and obstructions, without constantly worrying about colliding. Because of its degree of autonomy, the 2 Plus is ideal for novice drone pilots or those looking to take stunning footage in previously unreachable areas. The goal of the Skyio 2 Plus is to capture breathtaking images, not merely to ensure safety, The drone has a 4K HDR camera that can capture fluid footage at 60 frames per second. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best drones of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.